So the next topic what we have here is functional interface in Java 8. Sir, what is this functional interface? Very simple. A functional interface is an interface with only one abstract method. With only how many abstract methods? Only one abstract methods. Only one abstract method. If any interface is having only one abstract method, that interface we will call it as what? Functional interface. So we can declare functional interface by using @functional interface annotation. We can use this and make sure it is optional. It is optional. If you want, you can use, otherwise you can ignore, but it is highly recommended to take. So if the rules and regulations are clear, I will take some example program so that you can understand them. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Let me go with a syntactical analysis. So here I'm taking one Java program, like same example I will take. Can I say, is it a functional interface?
Yes.
Suppose consider M1 and M2. Is it a functional interface?
No.
No, it is a normal interface. You can see the program is going to compile fine. But if you take annotation like functional interface, now is it valid?
No, sir.
No. So what is the meaning of that? A is not a functional interface. Multiple non-overriding abstract methods found in interface A. What you need to do? Remove one. Now it is a functional interface. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Any questions? How to override that? That we will take. Clear?
Yes.
No queries, right?
Yes.
Right. So can I declare multiple methods, abstract methods inside functional interface?
No.
No. So this code is valid. There is no problem. Suppose if you are trying to take multiple abstract method declarations and compulsory if you are using functional interface, then we will get error. So just for documentation purpose, I am copy pasting. Up to this, no questions, right?
Yes. No.
In Java also, there are some predefined functional interfaces are there, friends. One is runnable. In runnable interface, it contains only which method? Run method. Sir, can I apply this lambda expressions concept for this? Yes. Even comparable. This interface contains only one method. What is that method? Compare to method is there. Is it a functional interface? Yes. So callable interface is there. So it is also contains only one call method. So these are some predefined functional interfaces which are there. So we can apply lambda expressions for this also. There is no problem. Clear, friends?
Sir, these are also known as marker interfaces.
Yes. No. Marker interface is different. What is mean by marker interface? If an interface is not having any methods, that interface is called as what? Marker. They will provide some ability.
GVM will provide ability. No?
Yes, yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Yes.
Sir, one more point I want to take here. Example number 3. Please observe carefully. Suppose consider, so what is this example is, okay, let's try it, right? Suppose I have only one class is there. Now I'm taking at the rate functional interface and I'm declaring interface B extends A. Can I take like this, friends?
Yes, sir.
Now in A, how many methods we have?
One. One.
In B, how many methods we have?
One. One.
Java C test.java, Java P interface A, Java P interface B. Clear? In B class, anyway, it is not showing, there is no not required. Clear?
Yes.
Can I add the conclusion like so if an interface extending properties from another interface and child interface does not contain any abstract method, then child interface is also functional interface. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is the code is clear?
Yes, sir.
No questions, right?
No, sir.
Now, sir, another example number 4. So what is the fourth example I am taking is, please listen carefully. Sir, can I take void M1 here? Okay. Can I take like this?
It's overriding. No, sir.
No. Is it valid?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, it is interface, right? Not implemented. So total how many methods we have? Only one method. In interface B also that method only we are taking. It is something like overriding you can think. But implementation is not there, right? Hence it is valid. Correct?
Okay.
So in child class also we can define same method like parent class. Then no compilation error. Okay, no compilation error. So it is functional interface only. So valid. Sir, observe now example number 5. Example number 5. So what I am doing in this example is, instead of M1 I am taking M2. Now is it valid?
No.
Now is it
No,
valid?
sir.
No, it is invalid. It is invalid. If you are trying to compile, we will get error. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in child class, if we can, in child interface, if we are trying to add, a new abstract method, so we will get compilation error. Sir, why? Because already one abstract method is coming from parent interface. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any questions? Suppose, let me take another case, example number 6. What is the case I am taking is, now I will remove this functional interface. Now is it valid? Yes, there is no problem, because is A is a functional interface or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Is B is a functional interface? No.
No.
Now is the code is valid? Yes. Clear? Clear, friends? So if a child interface is not declared as a functional interface, then we can add any number of abstract methods. There is no problem at all. Am I right, friends? Any questions?
Without changing the body, it can be called overriding.
Yes. Clear?
Yes.
So if you are comfortable up to this, maybe 1 or 2 examples I will take, then we will go for loopholes. Clear?
Yes.
So let's take some examples, some real-time examples I will take, coding wise. So consider I am taking one interface named with greeting, and it is having one method called wish. Now I want to implement this. It is a functional interface. How you can write coding for that? Sir, greeting, maybe greet is equal to, okay, maybe gr is equal to. Sir, can I take directly like this? Can I take like this, friends? And gr dot wish. Can I call like this? Because you have to see this method implementation we are taking. So by using lambda expression, please confirm return type concept. Am I included? No. Is that method is taking any parameters? No. So how many lines of code I want to take? Only one. So curly brackets also not. Any questions? So the people who are unable to understand, don't worry. 1 or 2 examples you will get clarity. Clear, friends?
Yes.
So now I will go for one more example. So what is my next example is, I want to perform addition of 2 numbers. I will take the interface name A and the method is sum. How many values it is taking? 3 values. Sorry, 2 values. Now how to implement that? Can I take A, small a, maybe object is equal to, sir, how many parameters you have to take? 2 parameters. And what I am writing? System dot out dot, so println of, okay. So let's take A colon plus A, comma, B colon, comma, B colon plus B, and sum colon plus A plus B. Can I take like this? Now let's run the code. Sir, am I passing any values? We have to call. How you can? A dot sum of, let us call 5 comma 8. So what is the answer it is generating? Sir, variable A is already taken. What I can take? Sir, instead of this, can I take obj? Most convenient way. Correct?
Yes.
I think it is not object. Can I take A reference? It will be good. Because object is not participating here. Sir, is the required output we got?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Any questions?
In line 10, what is happening?
Hmm.
In line number 10, what is happening?
We are calling a reference dot sum of 5, 8. The sum is taking two parameters, A and B. The implementation for that is this. What is A value? 5. What
In
is B
line
value?
number
8.
line number 10,
That's what I'm telling them. Already one interface is there. In that, how many methods we have?
1.
Only one method. I'm providing implementation for that method here. If multiple methods are there, this method body belongs to which method? We don't know. That's why in functional interface, only one method should be there. That method name you have to declare inside interface, but in the usage you are not required to provide. Automatically it will take. Got it?
Sir,
So
11th
is
line,
object
in 11th line, we're calling method calling.
That method name compulsory you have to call. That method implementation we are talking.
Sir, can we interchange 10 and 11 lines?
How?
I
Slowly,
mean,
so
first,
slowly. Don't go for like that. Just as of now, reference is very important.
is
Slowly.
object getting created?
Sir, here object concept is not coming. Why? What is the need of object here? To perform addition of two numbers. Object is not required. See, it is something like functions concept.
The
But
instance method cannot
directly,
be touched without object detail.
where method is there? Tell me. If method is there, instance method you are talking, compulsory class should be there, right?
Yes.
Is there any class?
No.
No. You may have a doubt, then why we are using this? Because I am providing implementation for that. So compulsory I need some reference. Without that I can't. But to call this object is not. Okay?
Okay.
Clear? Now, please
clear.
observe maybe. So maybe you will get a few more things. Sir, I am taking one method. Please observe. Integer square. Integer square it. I am passing one integer x value. I have to square this. But can I take SOP? No, because it is returning
Integer.
integer. So what I am going to do is A reference is equal to how many parameters it is taking?
1.
1. X. Sir, even return keyword is also not required, right? Can I take x into x? That is a square.
Yes.
So how to call? System.out.println now. The square of sir 6 is the square of 6 is, can I call square of 6? Can I call like this?
Yes, sir.
Because it is returning some value, right?
Square it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Clear everyone?
Yes.
Clear.
So let's execute this code and check. Perfect. Am I getting the output?
Yes, sir.
So if you are comfortable with this, I will go for the next level.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Comfortable up to this.
Yes, sir.
No doubts, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So I will take one Java program to include the difference between single statement and multiple statements. What is the example here? Directly I will write the definition. Lambda expression with a single statement. Directly I will go for coding part. So there is one interface named with A, having one method notify user. Just I want to issue some notification. Sir, how we will implement that? Just A reference is equal to that method is
So
not having any implementation. So system dot out dot println of, let us print a message saying notification issue. So we are not required to take curly brackets because only one line is there. A reference dot, can you please notify the user? Like that I will call. That notification will be issued. There is no problem in this. So when you have only one line code is there, happily we can write. So if you have a group of lines, then what you have to do? So lambda expression with multiple statements. Sir, up to this, any questions? So when you have multiple statements, what we have to do? So let us consider here execute method is there. Execute method is there. So A reference, which method we have to overriding here? Execute method. Can I take system dot out dot println? Okay. So task started. Now, sir, task is running. Okay, so task is completed. Like that, a group of methods I'm taking. Can I take like this?
yes, curly braces.
Yes, because more than one line, compulsory you have to take the help of curly brackets. Any mistake? Anywhere I did a mistake? Yeah, sorry, semicolon must be required, right? Clear, friends?
Create.
Any questions? So when you have single parameter, I mean single line is there, directly you can take. When we have a multiple values are there, multiple statements, you have to take within curly brackets. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So no question in this.
No.
Now, listen carefully. I want to write one program. I want to write a program where I want to find length of the given string. So length of the given string I want to find using lambda expression. Let's see. So I will take interface. The name of the interface is find length. So what is the method? Can I take integer? Find. Sir, it is taking one string. Yes. Is the prototype is clear?
Yes.
Sir, find length reference is equal to. Can I take yes followed by yes dot length? Is the code is correct? Because it is taking only one parameter. Curly bracket, flower functional brackets also we can remove. And since it is having only one line, it is written directly. So how to print this? System dot out dot println of that reference you have to take dot find length is the method name. Let me take Java lambda like this. Including spaces, it is going to count and it will return. Total 11 characters are there. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, friends? Now, sir, one more thing, maybe note kind of thing. Array, just we are finding the length, right? Just we are finding the length, right? Without this interface, can I take? Can I take like this? Or, sir, can I take like this? Please confirm. No, no, you can't take like this. Sir, why? Because what is the reason? What is the reason? Lambda expression cannot be used without target type. What is a target type here? Interface. Without interface help, you can't run lambda expressions. So the target type must be what? An interface. This point you have to have. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Friends.
Like
Now,
Stream API is a target no, sir.
Without target we can't write. Target must be required.
Target can be abstract class with one
No, no,
abstract
no, no,
method.
no, 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 no. Compulsory you have to take only.
Interface.
Yes, that
Functional
also
interface.
clear.
Yes.
Right. Now a bit tricky code I will take now. So title I will give later because after covering the example, if I give title, then it will be act. Friends, please understand. I am taking one interface. I am taking one interface. The name of the interface is, sir, number operations. Okay. Now it is returning integer. There is one function named with apply, taking two integer values. Sir, it is a functional interface, right? At the rate functional interface. Now observe carefully. I have one class is there. What that class is going to do is, let us take it as a demo class is. So public static, better I will write in the test class itself. So I'm taking one public static integer process method I'm taking. Process method I'm taking. What this process method is going to take, I will write later. I will return some process. What is a process? Which value I am going to return? Very simple. This process is taking integer A and integer B, and also friends, sir, number operations. So number operations, reference also it is taking. It is taking. Now what I am going to return? Reference dot apply of A comma. Observe carefully. Here for process method, which one I am passing? Interface reference. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Now observe carefully. I want to call this. How we can call? System dot out dot println of. Sir, how we can call this? Can I call process method? because my intention is I want to process 5, 3. What is the functional interface? A, B, arrow, A plus B. Now observe carefully. Sir, the value 5 will be given to A. The value 3 will be given to B. Sir, can I say this is lambda expression
Yes. Yeah.
given to this reference? On this reference, I am calling apply method by passing this en. Beautiful. Am I right?
Yes.
Can I say a method taking input as lambda expression? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now I will print sir addition. Let us check. Sir, now I want to perform subtraction. Sir, now I want to perform multiplication. Now I want to perform division. What thing you need to change? Sir, that's all. Am I right?
Yes.
Sir, is it working?
Okay.
Right.
Beautiful concept. Beautiful concept. So, can I give title as passing lambda expression as a method argument? This title is apt. Any questions from this? You understood what is happening there?
Yes, I understood.
Understood, sir.
Right. Now, a bit another coding. See, I have one interface is there named with message, and it contains one method called display method. Now, public static. Sir, it is returning message type. So method is get message. Is it taking any parameters? No. But what it is returning? Sir, return type is what? Can you please confirm? Return type is what?
Reference. Message
Message.
reference.
Sir, can I return like this? So whenever you are calling get message, what I am doing? I am sending a lambda expression. So if you want to call that lambda expression, compulsory message MSG must be required. So I am calling get message. Now on this message, can I call display function? Yeah. On this message, can I call display function? Please confirm.
Yes.
Clear. We are calling get message function. It is returning one lambda expression that will come here. On this message, I will call display. Right? Now, sir, this statement, can I write get message dot display? Can I write like this? Someone asked. Now you got the clarity.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Can I keep the heading as returning lambda expression from a method? Returning lambda expression from a method. Is the concept is clear, friends? Please confirm. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain the flow once again?
So what is the flow here? First, for interface, I created a reference. Okay.
Yes,
So what you need to take there? For that lambda expression, you need to take. Correct?
yes, sir.
In previous examples, we assigned a lambda expression only, right? Now that lambda expression is someone is returning. I'm calling that function method. Since it is a static method, object is not required. If you call that method, it is returning the complete lambda expression. So that lambda expression is assigned to the reference valid. By using that reference, I am calling display. What I am doing in 15th line? Anyway, you are returning a lambda expression. So definitely that lambda expression related to this one, and I am calling display method directly by using that reference. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Can I go for one more example with the next level concept?
Yes, sir. Please.
Let us take interface A. I will go with layman terminology. Void display method is there here. Display method is there. Now, in main method, I want to call that A reference is equal to. Sir, can I take like this? Can I take like this? Is it valid?
Yes, sir.
Valid.
On this A reference, can I call disp now?
Yes.
Clear. Now, sir, at the place of this course, okay, I want to print the course name. Sir, what is the course name? String. The course name is nothing but Java 8. Sir, this is nothing but what? Local variable. Is my lambda expression can take local variable or not? That is my intention. Tell me, is it taking?
Yes, sir.
So what is the heading? What is the heading? Lambda expressions with which variables?
Local
Local
variable.
variables. Happily, your local variable can take lambda expression. There is no doubt in that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I have one small doubt is there. What is that doubt is? Observe carefully. Sir, after this, I am taking course is equal to Python. Now, what is the output you will get?
Course Java 8.
Course Java 8. What is the message, sir? local variables referenced from a lambda expression must be final or effectively final. Sir, must be final. Must be final means what? Final string course is equal to Java 8. Sir, effectively final means what? String course is equal to Java 8. Make sure that in the next lines you are not going to update that. Clear? You understood the point? Must be effectively final means what? If you are assigning something, make sure that in the next lines you are not going to reassign that. That I won't check, you have to check. That is the meaning. Otherwise, if you have a doubt, better to declare as a final. Clear?
Yes.
The system.out.println course is going to the body of that functional interface, right?
See, first, this is the reference. Whenever you are calling, then only it will go here, right?
Okay.
Now we have duplicate values.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Sir.
Any questions up to this?
No.
No, sir.
So next one, it is a bit somewhat confusion. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Sir, what is here is, I'm not going to declare functional interface. I will take the existing functional interface. But please understand the terms. In test class, I have one private integer x variable is there, its value is 10. And I have private static integer y variable is there, its value is 20. Inside main, what I am doing is, so runnable, okay, runnable, sir, reference is equal to, I am taking like this. Tell me, is this statement is valid? Valid, because I am creating a reference to
Yes,
which
sir.
type?
It is functional interface.
Runnable. It is a predefined. By using this reference, which method we have to call, friends?
And
Run method. Clear?
yes.
So this total code I will write in public void test. I will take one test method inside the typewriter. Any questions? Sir, up to this clear means two more enhancements I have to do. Up to this, any questions?
No, sir.
There are two variables are there. One instance, one static. There is a test method is there. In the test method, I created reference for the runnable interface by using that I am calling run method. Now I want to call test method. How you can call? Can I create object for the test class? By using the test. By using the test class object. Can I call test method?
Yes, sir.
So if you are clear with this part, I will go for that implementation part.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, what is the code I am taking is x plus plus y plus plus. After this, system dot out dot println of x value is plus x. Sir, y value is plus 1. What is the meaning of this program is? Sir, instance variables and static variables, you can read, there is no problem. Is it possible to update also? I want to check. That is my main intention. Sir, where I am using instance variable inside a lambda expression. Where I am using static variable inside a lambda expression. So my conclusion is that static variable, instance variable, can I read and can I do updation or not? I want to check. Sir, is my concept is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, let's go for execution part. Sir, is it incrementing or not? Please come.
Incrementing.
Yes. So, can I give a conclusion like instance and static variables in lambda expressions? Sir, what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion?
We can read and update.
The final and effectively final restriction is applicable only for which variables? Local. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So lambda expression can read and modify which variables? Instance and
Static.
static variables. Clear? A clear proof is there. Understood, friends?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
in the same code, I will do few more modifications. Please observe. Sir, I am removing this. I will take test method only. Same runnable reference only I will take. Okay. Now, inside this runnable interface, what I am doing is integer, some x is equal to 111 I am taking. Okay. X is equal to 111 I am taking. Inside this, I want to print system.out.println of this dot x I want. Sir, what value it is going to return? I want to check. Sir, what value we are getting? Hmm.
100.
Now, I want to take only this. This means what? It will print current object, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So now see what is the current object?
Yes,
Test
sir.
class,
First class.
right? Now, if I am taking only x, what is the output you will get? Can I say inside lambda expression, current class values directly you can access, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this keyword inside lambda expressions, how it is working. Any doubt? Any doubt, friends?
No, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. So in the last session, just we started lambda expressions, okay, as a part of this Java 1.8 features. So how to write lambda expressions, how you can define that arrow operator with multiple examples and including all the loopholes I explained very clearly in the last sessions. Clear right up to that? So today, just let me discuss a few more example related programs in this. So, Lambda expression with a runnable interface. Already we have a runnable interface is there. We will use this runnable interface to handle multi-threading related programs. So now just we will have one multi-threaded program application. How you can convert that into Lambda expressions? Let us see. First, I will take one simple example program by using anonymous classes. By using anonymous classes, I will implement. See, I am taking a runnable interface reference. The task is equal to, I am defining new runnable, and here I will define the task. Next, I will create one thread object with that task. Then we are going to start that thread. First, I am defining one runnable interface. The task of the thread I am defining. Then, with that task, I will create a thread and I am starting a thread. What is the activity of the thread? Generally, we will write the activity of the thread inside run method, right? That we will implement now. Sir, up to this no doubt, right? Please confirm. Do you have any doubt in this program except logic? Logic I have not implemented yet. Any questions?
No, sir.
Clear, right? Now, so I will write task for this now. What is a task here is, sir, I'm going to override this method, friends. Which method? Run method as well to override. Let us see how to override. So I'm going to take at the rate override. Which method? Public void run method I'm overriding. What is the message that I'm printing here is, so task is running. So task is running. Like this, just I'm printing some message, friends, beyond the nothing. Now, if I execute the program, what will happen? Sir, we are starting a thread. We are starting a thread. And you can see what is the task of the thread. It will execute run method. The message which we are printing there is nothing but the task is nothing. Let us compile this particular program. Now you can see we are getting a message saying task is run. Do you have any doubt in this small program? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now, just I will do one small modification in this program. I want to include lambda expressions for this. So, lambda expression means what? Here, no need to provide the class name. Simply, you can use this bracket, and even these flower brackets, all these things are not required because it contains only one method, that is run. This is nothing but implementation for that method. Rest of the things we are not required to write. Sir, can I say, just let me put some 3 dots. Can I say it is a lambda expression, right? Sir, why we are using lambda expression? Because runnable interface method contains only one method. We can treat that as a functional interface. So whenever we have this type of scenario, so without any name directly we can write the code because only one method is there. Even if you are not giving the name, that method only it will execute. That's why I included here. Okay. Sir, will this program is going to compile? Yes, perfectly it will compile. Even it will produce the answer. So I hope you understood the second example also. Just I included lambda expression here beyond the nothing. Friends, are you clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, coming to example 3. Coming to example 3. Same thing, I'm going to rewrite. How I'm writing? Sir, somewhere I covered, even this lambda expression we can pass as an argument. We can pass. So, argument to what type method? We can pass, right? It is also a value. So, just here, I'm going to take another 2 dots. Let me check how it is going to work. Friends, is it working? Please confirm.
Working, sir.
Sir, clear up to this? So, how to use these lambda expressions for runnable interface? Of course, if you have a group of statements, then also we can take. But when you have a single statement, you can reduce the code, very concise code we can write. So, if you are clear with this, one more small application I will demonstrate. Clear up to this?
Clear, sir.
Right. So, next one, the next concept, next topic, a small topic, sorting collections. Sir, can I sort collections? Yes, sir. So, sorting collections using lambda expressions. I want to sort collection objects by using lambda expressions. One by one, I will take maybe multiple examples I will cover. The first example, sir, I want to sort integer objects. I want to sort integer objects. Let us see how we can do that. So here, just I'm going to declare a list. I'm going to declare a list capable of holding what type of object? String object, sorry, integer objects. So numbers is equal to, I'm creating a new array list. I'm creating a new array list. So numbers dot add of, let me take 50 first. Okay. So next 20. So next and after that 40, next 30, next 10. Like this I'm trying. Now system dot out dot println. So original list. Original list is nothing but it is there in numbers. Now I want to sort this. Do you know in collections there is one special method is there called sort. There is one special method is there called sort. Let us see what answer we are going to get. Okay. Have you observed? Sir, it requires one comparator logic. It requires one comparator logic. Means, so you have given sorting. If I want to sort these integer objects, is it in ascending order or descending order? That comparison you have to provide. For that, which interface is providing service? Comparator. Do you know comparator is having one method called compare to method. We have to override and it is having only one method. That's why, sir, as an argument to this sort method, I will use lambda expressions. Sir, is my intention is clear? Clear?
Yes.
So I'm taking two arguments here, a comma b, arrow operator, a dot compare to b and take. A dot compare to B. Now what will happen? It will compare. So let me take so ascending order. Ascending order by default. Sir, if first number is less than second number, you have to keep the order as it is. Now you can see. So the data we are getting in which order? Ascending order. Sir, I don't want ascending order. I want a descending order. Same sorting method you can take with one small change. What is that change? Sir, here B dot compare to A. like this I'm taking, then this list is nothing but what? Descending order. So for the sort method, I'm passing lambda expression. That is nothing but our intention here. Friends, I hope this example, how to sort integer objects, it is very clear for you. Any questions? Clear?
Clear.
Now I want to sort string objects. How you can sort the string objects? Very simple. In the place of list, just I am taking string. And I want to add the names like triple D. Next, I want to take triple G. Next, I want to take some triple C. Next, I want to take triple B. Next, I want to take triple F, so triple E, and then triple D. Original list. Sir, when I am sorting, how you can sort? Same scenario, right? Sorting in ascending order, sorting in descending. Now, just have a look. Sir, is the data is coming in ascending order or not? Yes. Sir, understood the scenario?
Yes, sir.
Now, so the next example, in the collections only, I want to sort string objects according to the length. Okay, sorting string objects according to the length. Sir, I want to sort the string objects based on how we can do that. So for this, I'm taking some elements like, for example, Prakash. Next, I want to take Java. Next, I want to take C. So next, I want to take prompting. Okay, next, I want to take generative AI. Like this, just some names I have given. Original list I will print. Now, I want to perform sorting operation. Sir, like on what basis you are doing sorting? Not based on order, based on the length
Size.
of the string. Okay. So anyway, it will take two arguments, A and B. Okay. Now, sir, we should not use this method. In integer wrapper class, there is one method named with compare. So you have to pass two arguments. That order will be decided by this compare. Why I am using integer.compare? Because the length type is always what? Integer type. Now, sir, what is the first argument? A dot length. What is the second argument? B dot length. Because those two are which type? String type. You can call length method. Now, let us see by executing the code. Sir, are you seeing is the strings got sorted in order? Can you please confirm?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any questions from your end? Next. Sir, next collection objects. Okay. Now I think any type of collection you can able to sort. Any type of collection object we can provide, you can able to sort. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for next concept?
Yes, sir.
So sorting custom objects with lambda expressions. Sir, I have one employee objects are there. Some 5 to 6 employee objects are there. I want to sort those employee objects. How you can do? Or I have some product objects are there. I want to sort those product objects based on their discount amount. Or I have some student objects are there. I want to sort based on ID or something like that. Can I do that? Yes, happily you can. So let's go for a small example case. Okay. So to implement this concept, I will take the help of a student class. I am declaring a student class. What are the attributes I will take? Private int ID. So next private string name. Okay. So next private double marks. Okay. So then constructor I am taking where I will pass ID and I am passing name. Okay, and I am passing marks like this. So this dot ID is equal to ID. So this dot name is equal to name. This dot marks is equal to marks. Like this I am saying. And I will define one method like public integer get ID, which is going to return current ID. And I will declare public string name. Sorry, get name. So return this dot name I'm going to give. So similarly, public double get marks. These are getter methods, right? This dot marks I'm going to give like this. So I hope the student class is it very clear. I think so. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear? Sir, let me give one more method like at the rate overriding method. What is that overriding method? Public return type is a string. The method name is a toString, which is going to return this dot ID followed by some comma. This dot name. Okay, so followed by some comma. This dot marks like this I'm giving. Now in test class, I will create a list. What type of objects this list contains? So this list contains student objects. Okay, student objects. Let me take here as students. Sir, I want to add some content into this. Sir, how you can add students dot add of? I'm creating a new student object. Name ID as 103. Name is Ramu. Okay, so next percentage is 85.6. First object. Like this, some 5 objects I will take. 103. So 101, 105. So 102. Okay, 104 like that. So Ram. So next one is a Prakash. So next one is nothing but Raju. Okay, next one is nothing but Abhi. So next one is nothing but Kalyan, something like that. So 85, next 65, so next 95, next 55, so next 75, like that, just for my convenient purpose. I want to print all these values. Okay. So, but before that, system.out.println. Sir, how I am printing? How I am printing? I will use for each. This anyway. Next topic is this one only. Students dot for each. Sir, student colon system dot out dot println of student. Like this, you can print. Sir, here also, I mean, for each loop also can take Lambda expressions. Anyway, our next topic is that one only. There you will get more clarity. But as of now, just assume that it is a logic for printing the student details. Now, first let me execute whether all student details are coming up. Can you please confirm? Is the student details we are getting there?
Yes.
Now I want to sort this. So sorting student objects by using ID. Sir, how they are sorting with the help of ID? Because students, it is a collection, right? In that sort method is there, where you can take a lambda expression which you can take two arguments, and then which method you have to override? Compare. So if you are taking comparator, then compare to method you have to take. That one we are going to write. So this is lambda expression syntax. Sir, how many arguments it is taking? Let me take first comma second, two arguments. Sir, those two arguments we are sorting based on ID. Those two arguments are what type? Integer type. So integer dot compare of, sir, first object dot get ID, comma second object dot get ID. I am getting those two student objects. Can you please sort based on like this? I am asking. So it will sort according to the student marks. Cannot find a symbol with students. Maybe spelling mistake. Yes. Now just have a look on friends. Sir, is it sorted based on IDs of the student? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Now, I want to sort based on names and based on, let me print one more print element just for sorting student objects based on marks. Sir, marks are also which type? Integer type only, right? No need to disturb this code. But in the place of get ID, which one we have to take? Get marks. And marks is which type of data? Double, right? That's why instead of integer, you have to take double dot. Now, sorting student objects by using names. I want to sort based on name. Tell me, name is which type?
String.
String. So what you have to do here? String related method we have to take, right? Now here it is not integer dot compare. What we need to take? String. Sir, first argument dot get name dot in string already internally compare to method is there. Now compare to second argument dot get name. These two names I am going to get and I am going to sort. Let us check remaining two are working or not. Get name. N must be capital. Sir, are you seeing first one sorted based on integer objects, second one sorted based on double values, third one sorted based on names. Correct? Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, if no questions, then I will move to the next topic. Clear?
Sir, lambda expressions are only applied for functional interfaces.
Lambda expressions are applied for?
Functional interfaces.
Yes. Functional
But
interface means what? An
only one
interface
method.
which contains only one method.
But integer, we are applying it for integer also, integer wrapper class also.
Now, in integer wrapper class, already compare method is there. For compare, I am using. I am not invoking any function. You got some confusion, but of course your question is right. Here, have a look once. On this object we are calling, right?
Yes, sir.
So, are you seeing anywhere object that I am invoking for functional interface? I mean, lambda expression.
No.
Oh. So, your question is, if I want to apply lambda expression, compulsory functional interface should be there. That is your question, right?
Yes, sir, exactly.
What is my answer is, lambda expression is not only applicable for functional interface. You can write lambda expression, but if you want to apply lambda expression, there are n number of applications are there. I want to find maximum of two numbers. Can I write lambda expression for this? Yes. If I want to execute that, is it functional interface is required? No. Previous examples we covered. Got it?
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. You can see. So here, just for demonstration purpose, I have used like this. But directly also we can write. We are talking about this lambda expression. That's all. Okay. Clear, sir?
Clear.
If you want to, you can see here also.
Got it.
Can I go for next?
Yes, sir.
So the next topic is, sir, for each loop. Okay, for each loop, with the lambda expressions. Can I use for each loop with the lambda expressions? Yes. Sir, generally, what is the traditional enhanced for loop? Sir, how we are writing a traditional for loop? First, I will explain. From that, how to create lambda expressions, we will see. And for implementing this, so I'm taking a list of string objects. List, the content is a string. Courses is equal to. So in arrays class, as a list function is there. Here you can pass string objects, it will convert it into list. And passing Java, Python. So data structures. Okay. Next, generative AI. Like this, just some course names are there. Sir, generally how we will print this? For each string course, here we take courses. For each string course, colon courses. Okay, so just what we will do? System.out.println of course we will print. This is general for each loop, what we have seen in our previous programs. It will print all the elements in the string. This is traditional approach what we have. Now, I can use one more concept here. Have a look once. What is that? Is using lambda expressions also we can use. Okay, just observe. These are synapses. You have to apply this in the real time. How I can use this entire thing? I will replace with the lambda. Sir, courses dot. There is one method is there called for each. Sir, course colon system.out.println of course. It will print automatically every element present in that courses. For courses dot apply for each loop, which will take a lambda expression, where it will pick up one by one object from the given collection and it will print. Sir, is it working? Sir, if you want, you can see. So in future, whenever we are getting for each loop, try to use this kind of syntax so that more readability you will get. Clear? Please confirm. Clear?
Clear, sir.
So this is nothing but so what we have in lambda expressions. I think with this we covered mainly two concepts. What are the two concepts we covered? Can you please tell me? Lambda expression, how to write lambda expressions, and what is mean by functional interface. What is mean by functional interface? If any interface contains only one method, then such type of interfaces are called as what? Functional interfaces. There is no doubt up to this. Clear, friends?
Clear, sir.
And how to apply all these things with the help of multiple examples. If you are clear with this, we will go for the next concept. Clear?